Alright, hi there everyone. This is a unboxing, special unboxing of the iPhone X, or X, like I want to call it, the iPhone XS Max. It's 10, it's not X. I mean, after a year I keep wanting to call it X. Here's the phone, here's the case. The case I bought because I always have iPhone cases. Well, I'm recording with that one. But let's take a look at the case first. There it is. It's actually pretty nice. Had one like this before. And these work out great. I really do like the way they feel. And it's leather. They actually work really good. So here's the iPhone. I only got the 64 gig. Sorry, I'm in desperate need of an upgrade. I haven't upgraded for a couple of years. Mine's kind of starting to slow down. So there's that. Simple. Like another unboxing on YouTube. Got your paperwork first. Got your hello, which gives you all the good information. Oh, wow, this is interesting. You have a SIM eject tool. Usually, unless it was an unlocked version, you didn't used to get this for quite a long time. They all of a sudden started packing it with everything now, I guess. Your legal information, of course, your stickers. Pretty nice that they pack that now. I'm actually pretty happy that they did. That's that. Put it up there. And then here's the iPhone. Ooh, nice. Put that to the side. Now, just want to see for myself. Here are your earpods. If you notice, there's no adapter anymore, unfortunately. Sad but true. And like everyone else said, you got the USB Type A to Lightning. Everyone's clamoring they should have had the USB Type C. Just a few months back, they were complaining that everything was going USB-C. Now they can't get enough of it. And then you got your little 5-watt adapter. It's not fast charging. Like everyone else, I think they should have packed the bigger one in there. I think I got a, no I don't. But the bigger one like they have for the iPad. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and take this off. Let's listen to it. I don't know if you could hear that, but shook the camera right there. Anyways, that's it in all its glory. The iPhone XS Max. See how it fits in the... Don't want to turn it on, so I'm not actually going to put it in because it'll turn on. Yep, that's it. Alright. Well, just a real quick unboxing of the new iPhone XS Max. Have a good one.